Hello guys, good morning! Uy, grabe kayo, uwan. Uy, uwan morning. It's a rainy morning here in Cebu. And you know what? There's a good news. The Philippines beat Latvia in basketball. Woo! Congratulations, Gilas, Pilipinas. Diba? Kaya kuya kayo. The Gilas Pilipinas won against Latvia. That's a world number 6 by. Oh, so, grabe lang performance. By first quarter lang 32-16 na. Lubong na. Oh, diba? Lubong na. And can you imagine, you know, this Asian team, huh? Beating up a European powerhouse. So, hindi na nato kuhanan. Kaingon ko na it's an achievement that we have to celebrate, diba? Mauni bay, mauna. Grabe ang duwa. Mayo kayong duwa. I love the first five, by the way. We have Brownlee, we have Kai Soto, we have Junmar Fajardo, and the guards of Dwight Ramos and Chris Newsom. We may not have a pure point guard this time, but man, our guards held on, diba? Against taller, against, you know, leaner, kana bang mas tagas o kasway, and we shocked the world in a way, huh? Because kibaw ka nga, no, that was a big achievement. Not only, you know, Latvia is like world number 6, they placed 5th in a surprising 5th yet is a World Cup, but also akong punto na they also are the host. Their host, it was in their home court. Dungog yung kusaba sa crowd. Wow. You know, sometimes we have problems with inbounding our ball because kusaba yun ang crowd. They had a home court advantage. Imagine a home court advantage by. And ayun, baliwala lang sa Pilipinas. So, di ba? Wala. Latvia. Nasa Riga ta. Wow. Ay, kuan wa mi paki. Wa. Kuan kayo. The Philippines surprised. I would say surprised. Although Latvia sud naman sa semi-final sa Olympic qualifying tournament, pero still that was a kuan. A big win. No. Kinanglan lang. We have another match tonight against Serbia, Montenegro rin at Serbia. Serbia at Montenegro muna sa una. Montenegro Mondiale, diba? And of course, Georgia rin, sorry, not so Serbia. Montenegro para pa na squad. Finals na po na. We have a game against Georgia. Di na tapalubong, kailangan mo daog ta. I mean, a win, a big win should be a better. For better seeding, we should win this one. Wala, worst comes to worst, alam mo, palubong by 18 points. But no way. Gilubong na mga sa punto na magilubong na mga sa Latvia. Dapat dito lubngon sa nato, lubngon na to 40. Diba? The point, ano ba? We always go on. Always have to make sure kaning mga players na to, diba? Mo cheer on ta. Raghan og wa na to gabi bitaw for that win. Diba? So wala atong maingon lang na yes, we won and we have to be proud of them. Diba? Proud ta nila, eh. Ako proud ko nila, ha? And very happy na we're very happy. Di lalim na mahuwanan. Very happy. Diba? Although itong mga juniors, mga under 17 na to, gibaw to sa mga bata sa mga ano problema na to, atong youth. Nagkakig bashing ba na? Pero still, inferior yun ng youth. Ay ka naman, I don't know, tag-asing kayo mga youth squad sa mga laing countries. I don't know, Bibo, Paspas. Pero sa seniors, oy, di sa tapapildi, oy, oh, di ba? We have a great we have a good team, I would say. We won Asian Games. And karon mani ang core na to is playing and winning in Europe, oh, di ba? So, di kita pa kuan na. You have to be happy, and I think right now we have 22 Olympians already. Our hurdlers made it, diba? Hurdler, hurdles. You could have thought about sa una nakita universality ng mga Olympians. Appeal na lang kay kinahanglan man yung athletics kada country, appeal na lang ni mga tawhana. Pero sa karon, he really qualified. Diba? Si Ubuena qualified as a medal contender pa. Muna ang punto na ba nila? Di basta-basta. And we have ganito gymnast, si Yulo. Diba? Qualified. Pwede ka sila mga medal. And I hope mo daog itag medals this year. Bisag si Yulo man lang. Hopefully mga gold na siya. Our boxers, we have 5 strong boxers. Hopefully kuaning nga itong mga boxer ba laban yun nga bang kita gina to na our 2020 performance can be improved again. Maka sa 2020 we had 2 silvers and 1 bronze. Diba magtuluin yung medal nga ng Pilipinas like other countries daghan pag boxers gipada pero pila rin nakabuhay, nakamedal or gamay na kani tay chance. Hopefully, di makakaroon 5 itong boxer. I think Thailand is standing 7. Diba? Pero kita lean lang ano. Huwag na itong mga medal hopefuls. So, diba? I don't know, we have a fencer. Diba? We have a boxer, boxers, athletics na to. Diba? Golfers. Diba? Golfers, tagapay sa niya. Pali ba yan ako? You have a good 4 rounds. Diba? Or tulur tinas babae ba na champion na. Diba? Gold. Para na akong punto, ana. Sayang kayo ba? I think yes, we can hopefully in basketball, if we make it to the Olympics, that's a big story. Although it's a challenge get to the Olympics, but kita kay bao ba? Mo na may yung tumataw na daghan na kami give up basketball, lain na sport. Come on. We just beat kuan ba? Mura pag paano ba we compete, we're in the world map of basketball. I'm not saying na ignore na ito bang sports, but ang basketball mo is like a cheap sport. I mean, pila na investment ni mo anak ano bang bisag sa bukid na basketball kung mo yung mag-take on taglaing sport, let's say unsa man yung ganahan na football, football lang sa laing lugar sa kuan sa mga bukid, di ba? Sa basketball, wala problema. Hunong na ta kay paunang. Tas parian guys. So di ka po na ginatubuhi ang basketball. We're somehow we're probably the best in Southeast Asia, of course, or probably one of the best, probably the best guy in Asia. Di ba? Maybe the world, it's always gonna be a challenge. Di ba? Di mo na basta-basta. Hindi na din yung tubuhian. Basketball is what? One, cheap. Cheap yun ang word na affordable sport. Bola o ring. Some people don't even use basketballs. Sa bola. Di ba? Bata pa kasuhay ko na magduwa ko basket na tennis ball. Di ba? Mubo ang ring. Dunk-dunk. Di ba? But mura na akong punto ba na hindi mo i-give up something that's like part of our blood already, diba? Part of our culture. You can't just say na mura give it up. Okay, watay chance sa kalibutan. Mas sigurado mo ko watay chance sa kalibutan kung atong give up, diba? Unlike aning wala yung sports ba, magsugod pa ta, may basti na tawag basketball, mag-football na ta, ay magay takasuod Southeast Asia gay, takapilde. Volleyball, yeah, it's being popular now, yeah. Same argument lagi mo na sa basketball, di man tatagas. Di ba? May istorya na ba naman these people, sa may laing alternative na sports na may mo exile ang Pilipinas, hockey, ice hockey, what's the common sports, diba? I'm not saying na lagi we are now producing world-class athletes in gymnastics, in track and field, pero ingon lagi ko, pero for the many people, basketball is is a lifeblood, is an industry. Doon hina yung PBA, but it's actually PBA's fault sad kinahanglan lang tayo mo na pag nag-era of super teams tayo dayon. Ang fans kung kung di na competitive ba, kung lugmo na yung mga dramatic games ba, yung mga pilde na mo daog by 1 point, bang last second buzzer beater, kung tayo mga drama nga na kinsa may nga mo tanaw. So pa na una sa PBA na why parity is important. If they keep on keep on saying na kuan lang, bahala na ng mga trade, bahala na ng mga kinsang mga kuana, ang league on kay San Miguel unsa na, and then obviously murag may galit na ng Meralco ni kalit na, pero obviously baka naman before the season starts we already know kinsay top teams. Ay punto naman ni sad that's pag malingaw mo ka na, how can you be a fan when your team won't have even a long shot or a chance to win? Diba? So anyway muna, congratulations Gilas Pilipinas. Mana na itong trip today. That's our trip. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, hopefully napatay more good news in the coming days. Bye.